Spokane County Prosecutor says that 3 police officers who shot at a suicidal man who was ramming their patrol cars were justified in their use of deadly force. The October 2015 incident was caught on body cams. It shows the split-second decisions those patrolmen had to make not to let that driver escape. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey shows us why the prosecutor thinks those officers made the right call.
Well, the suspect in this standoff, Nadine, wasn't armed with a gun or a knife. His weapon is actually his pickup truck. And if you listen to this body cam video carefully, you can hear officers recognize that four-wheel threat right off the bat. Police are dispatched to a home on Longfellow to check on a drunk suicidal man tearing up his father's Hilliard residence. By the time the first officers arrive, Jason Smith has already started revving up his truck.
Get to cover. We got plenty of space. He can't leave. He's got to power through my car.
Officer Chris McMurtry has blocked the path of Smith's Dodge with his patrol car and backs away from the despondent driver. That's when Smith starts ramming patrol cars.
He's uncooperative and he's smashing my car. That's the second one this week. If he tries to breast through, lethal force. Get in the house! Inside the house now! Damn it!
McMurtry and another officer fire a second time when Smith hits the accelerator again.
Got the truck! Get out of the car right now!
Those additional shots stop Smith, who is then coaxed out of the truck. McMurtry is a SWAT-trained EMT, so he goes to his trunk for his medic bag and then renders first aid to the suspect.
Stop breaking open my bag. I need chest seals.
Today, Spokane County Prosecutor Larry Haskell said, based on Smith's suicidal statements, the officers on scene couldn't afford to let Smith drive away.
And then, of course, a huge risk to the public safety should Mr. Smith have gotten out of that situation and entered a public roadway. And in the state of mind that he was in addition to the intoxication, it could have been very dangerous.
These 3 officers were returned to duty months ago, but as far as we can tell, Smith was never charged in Superior Court for ramming their patrol cars. Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.